Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Nadawa from Paper Flow Designs, and today I'm just going to show you a few quick techniques using this custom color request that I got. So in my Etsy shop I have this design, and someone wanted this design with red locks on the woman instead of the black locks. So I take the design, I put it back into Inkscape, and I can click on the locks and choose another color. And I wanted to give her two color options to choose from, because even though she said she wanted a bright red, I figured, I'll show it in more than one red color. So I use the shortcut to duplicate it to make a second one, and then I'll just change the red color to like a deeper red color, just so she'll have those two options. The next thing I'm going to do is put a watermark on it, because she does want to see a draft of this to make her choice from these two colors. So I will just write out my company name using the text option, and then I'm going to go to the text tool and I'm going to change the gradient on that, just so it's not going to cover the whole image. You can still see what the drawing looks like. So I'll move that over, and then I'll select the text again, and I'll place it right over the drawing after I go ahead and change the gradient so that you can see through the words. I'll pick something that's about halfway, like 46 opacity. I'll change the size of it, a nice medium size. Go ahead and play around with the opacity again. Completely take over the image where you can't see anything. And I'll put it right there at the top of the head, and then I'm just going to duplicate it so I just have it 3 times. And then I'll do the same thing to the design on the bottom of the brighter red locks color. And that's pretty much it. So all of these techniques you can find in my Inkscape shortcuts book, which is Inkscape Ready Set Go. There's a link in the description box if you're interested in getting it. So I hope you liked it, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of it.